The ratio of the surface areas of two cubes is 16 to 25. Okay, what is the volume of the smaller cube? Remember, there are quite a number of steps that we need to do here. So just follow step by step. We first need to start with dealing with the ratios. We have to change these ratios to the ratios that supports the volume. These are for the surface area. So we're going to get them. So this is 16 to 25 there. Okay. So here, since they are the ratios of the, the area, we can now find the square root. We know once they just say area, just know area is power 2. The units is power 2. So when reversing, you find the square root. Okay? So this is it. It will give us a 4 to a 5 there. So now this is our new ratio. Okay? Or this is our ratio factor. We have found the ratio factor. So now we want to find the volume. What do? We change this ratio factor to the volume one. So we're going to put a power 3 here and also here a power 3. Okay, we know that volume moves with the power 3. Okay, so what is 4 to the power 3? So 4 to the power 3, we would definitely get a 64. So this will just give us a 64. So we have a 64 here and there. What about 5 to the power 3? 5 to the power 3 will give us 125. Okay, so now we have the ratio that we need to deal with. So we're going to say 64 will move with the x. This 64, it's for the smaller cube. And 125 will move with the 500. 500 is the volume of a larger, bigger, okay, bigger cube. So it will move with 500. So here it's a matter of cross multiplication. We shall have 25x is equal to here 64 times 500. What are we getting when we multiply 64 times 500? It's giving us 32,000. 32,000. And then now 32,000 to solve for x, you divide by 125, 125. This and this will cancel. We shall remain with x is equal to, so what is our x there? It will be equal to 256 centimeter cubed. I guess you followed the steps nicely. Okay. So here, what we need to know is that first, what have we been given? What are these ratios for? They are for area. Area, we know that it's power 2. Now to reverse this to a normal ratio factor, we have to find their square roots, of which we did this step here. After finding the square roots, you say power 3 there, because we want to find the volume. It's the volume. Volume, we know that it moves with the power 3. So power 3, this is what we got. And then after getting this, match this one. 64, it's for the smaller because the smaller number. So it will be for the smaller. It will move with x. The reason why I've put x is because we are trying to find the volume of the smaller cube. So we don't know. That's why I've put x. You can put any letter of your choice. And then here 125 will move with 500 because it's bigger. So the volume there, it's 500. You now cross multiply. This times this, you get this, and this times this, you get this. You come and divide throughout by 125, and then your final answer will be this one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.